Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is JpachoD, and today, because coup ran a little bit short for Seachtain na Gaeilge, which Seachtain meaning week, funnily enough, runs for just over 2 weeks. But forgetting that, I've decided to do something different. So, as you can see, we're playing Crusader Kings 2, and what we're going to do is we won't go through the normal stuff, right? Our goal is to stop going all over the place, you foolish map. Our goal is to, what is my mouse doing? Create, oh my god, there we go, the Kingdom of Ireland, right? That'll be our goal, at least for the short term. But we won't be doing it, boring, ways. Like, you've seen it enough times. So we're going to do something different to make it a little bit more interesting. Let's get pagan. Oh, loading. Congrats, you're a Celtic pagan. Happy days. Oh, oh, oh. The Wolf Tales. Oh, a new mercenary band. Epic. Which means let's take a look at the religious map mode. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So Britain and Ireland are Celtic, along with Brittany, Western France, and Northern Spain. Interesting. Most of Europe's Germanic, Slavic, bit of Baltic. What else do we have? We've got some Finnish up here. Oh no, Finnic. Finnic. Interesting. I didn't know that was a thing. Tengri. That is a lot of Tengri. So that might be a... Well, it won't be worrying for us. We're ages away. What's all this? Hellenic. Okay. So, Hellenic, worshipping the Greek and Roman gods. What's this? Kemetic. Oh, we're worshipping the Egyptian gods. That's pretty cool. Has India changed? Oh, rolling. Nah, India hasn't changed. And then Africa is West Africa. Brilliant. So, without further ado, let's take a look at our character. Wait, go back here. Whoa. Click. There we go. Not bad stats, not amazing. Let's take a look at our heir. Not bad, not great, but he is 9, so I think we can. Let's get him betrothed to someone. 16-year-old. Ooh, bit of an age gap there. Mercia. Kent. God. Suppose we'll go for the 8-year-old, because her stats aren't bad. What's this? Honest. That's grand. And I'll get an ally in Mercia. Yeah, fuck off. Fuck off with your thing. Yeah, come on. What is going on here? Yes. Send. Cool. Now. Right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our council, fabricate claims. Where do we want to? We want to make Ulster as soon as possible. So, do we want to control the land bridges, or do we want to control Donegal? We'll go for this. What statistic is that? 10% a year. Happy days. And of course, train troops in our capital. Settle tribe. What does this do? Yeah. Raise some warriors. Spymaster will... Wait, there you go. What do you do? What do you do? Spymaster, we're going to get you to Constantinople. Because at this point in time, it has the highest technology. You gone? There we go. And with our excuse me, with our priest. No. Who's the head of our religion? There is no head of our religion. Interesting. So we may as well have him improve relations with himself. I've sent him to go be nice to himself. Happy days. Laws. Let's put up our tax to large. Yeah. Oh, it passed very quickly. Let's have a look at our tech. Tech's not bad. Well, it's not great. It's okay for 769. Mercenaries. The wolf tails. I won't be going for the wolf tails. They're very expensive. What's this? At peace. Oh, lose 1 gold. Okay, that's just hold a divination. Ooh. I've got to wait to June. Okay, that sounds interesting enough. No factions, and we saw our religion. So, I suppose what we can do is press play, turn up the time. That's a brilliant phrase. I'm going to use it more often. Turn up the time. Doo-doo. Oh. Okay, the betrothal's gone through. Happy days. Let's have a look if there's anyone worth marrying out there of ourselves. We don't want to go for anyone young, because we don't want another heir. That would not be good. No, we won't get married. I think we'll improve our stewardship. That would be a good idea. Where's this one? No, that's not so. There we go. Improve stewardship, because it's 0 at the moment, and we need more money. Yes. And what's this? I should get married. I'm grand for the moment. There we go. Cool. And now we play the waiting game. Actually, what's our troop like at the moment? We let that build itself back up. 640. Oh. To improve your stewardship and better learn how to administrate a realm, it strikes you that it might be a good idea to conduct a survey of the land. Trustworthy men would be sent out to every corner of your domains and record their findings. This information will be then collected. Okay. Men are dispatched. Yes, send out the men. So hopefully our troops will build up, and we'll find out what happens with this. Sometimes it could give me a casus belli against someone. Oh, I would like to attack someone. That would be fun. Ooh, look at the little design on the Isle of Man. Nice. Oh. The people of your court are incredulous. Great chief, it is a shame that you do not have a druid at court. Are you to be like a bard without his voice, a warrior without his spear, a farmer without his seeds? Okay, I'll recruit a druid. Intrigue. Come on. Invite druid to court. Who's 2 gold? Eh. Did that improve our while all druids are wise, not all have to specialize in the same teaching. Send for a master of law. Bring me a servant of the gods. Ooh. We'll go for a servant of the gods. This is all about religion. Servant by court, order of worship and sacrifice, divination and judicial procedure. Encourage my warriors and provide me counsel. One of 5 options will happen. So I'm pretty sure it's going to happen. Ooh. Oh, 15. And he's a quick. He's not quite a genius, but he shall be my new. Sorry about that, Brone of Monaghan, but this guy's 15 and you're 7, so you can bugger off. And I shall make you improve religious relations with yourself. Yeah, that sounds grand. Oh, what's this decision? Oh, decision. Hold it. What does that give me? Sure, fuck it. It's 1 gold. Like, oh, at the behest of your court druid, you've decided to hold a ceremony to the JpachoD, the minor gods and spirits of the realm, in order to honor them with an offering. You hope this is enough to improve your relationship with them. Before you continue, you must decide on what offering to make. Golden treasure. Yep. Grand. Grand. Oh, find treasures of gold and silver and brought inside the grove. The smell of burning herbs permeates the air as you kneel before a small stream of water. You slowly place the offerings inside the stream and watch as they are taken away to be enjoyed by the spirits. Yeah. Oh, let's hope they accept it and are happy. Oh, oh. Seems like your offering has been accepted, nice. Nonetheless, he warns you that the spirits are not necessarily pleased, and while they will probably not cause trouble, future offerings will need to be superior for them to be satisfied completely. We have peace for now. Uh, multi-piety plus 0.002. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. Ho ho ho. 14% a year. Well, 15% a year. That's a good percentage to have. Because we will be High King. I say it, I do.